In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix CPU not using all cores in Windows 11. So if your PC feels slow and your CPU isn't using all its cores, don't worry. This is usually caused by a setting or limitation in Windows 11, and let's fix it step by step. So first, press Windows plus R on your keyboard, and in here, type msconfig and hit on OK. So this opens the system configuration window. Now what you need to do is to go to boot tab. Next, what you need to do is to click on advanced options down here. And now look for number of processors up here. So if this box is unchecked, your system is already using all cores. So this is normal. But if it's checked and limited, so what you can do is to click on the drop down arrow and select the highest number available. So mine is 12 right here. I'm going to click on it. Then click on OK. And after that, click on Apply. Close it. Now, what you need to do is to restart your PC. Click on the Start menu, click on the Power button, and click on Restart. So after restarting, right click the Start button. Now, open Task Manager, expand it. Next, go to the left side and click on Performance and hover over CPU. So you should now see all cores active. And that's it. Now, if you want to set power mode to performance, what you need to do is to go to settings, click on the search bar and go to settings. Next, go to system and go to power and battery. Hover over power mode, click on the arrow right here and set it to best performance. So under plugin, set it to best performance, and on battery, set it to best performance. And that's basically it. Most PCs already use all cores by default, and msconfig is mainly for limiting cores, not enabling them. And some apps only use a few cores, so this is normal behavior. So your PC should now be able to use all available cores for better performance. Thanks for watching.